This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, always make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. If you have a keyless system, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. For traditional ignition, insert your key. Finally, press the engine start/stop button or turn the key to the start position to power up your Outlander. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. For those with a keyless ignition, starting your Outlander is incredibly convenient. Simply ensure your fast-key fob is somewhere inside the vehicle, like your pocket or a cup holder. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, with one quick press of the engine start/stop button, your Outlander's engine will come to life. There's no need to insert a physical key, making your daily drive a little bit easier and more modern. If your Mitsubishi Outlander uses a traditional key ignition, the process is slightly different but just as simple. Begin by inserting your physical key into the ignition slot. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which powers up the vehicle's electrical systems. Then, continue turning it briefly to the start position. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position, ready for your journey. Sometimes, your Outlander might not start right away, but don't worry, there are a few common things to check. First, verify that your vehicle's battery has enough charge and that the terminals are clean. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked. Gently jiggle it while turning the key if needed. Double-check that your gear selector is fully engaged in park. If issues persist, your owner's manual provides detailed troubleshooting steps for your specific model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.